Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video I'll show you how to fix monetization issue on Facebook. So if you have a monetization issue on your Facebook page, then go for your profile, go for settings and privacy and go to settings, click on page settings and go for in this page status and you can see page has no issue, it shows it. But if I go for restricted monetization, then I have the monetization issue because I have uploaded a duplicate video of others. But if you just upload your own video or your branded video, but if you have uploaded that your music of others, then we have also have this monetization issue. So you have to delete your video from your page because otherwise there is no way to remove this monetization issue. When you have delete your video, you have to upload five more your own branded video, then you can remove this monetization issue from your page. So that's it. This is how you can fix your monetization issue on Facebook. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
Today's video is sponsored by Xiroosft. Xiroosft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xiroosft today. For more details, check the description box.